Hey guys, just want to share with you my experience with this cordless ratchet wrench that I purchased from Amazon. I have this thing for over a year now, and I actually purchased this thing to work on the timing belt on my Honda Odyssey. And this thing has helped me a lot with that project because there's a lot of places where the screw is hard to reach, and those spaces doesn't give me a lot of wiggle room for a manual wrench. So this thing actually was able to help me because all I need to do is basically just stick it in to the bolt that I need to remove and just let it do its job. I like this thing because it comes with 2 amp hour lithium ion battery, and this battery also comes with this small charger. It gives you a lot of hours of use per battery. If I remember correctly, on my project, I was able to use one battery to remove all the screws I need, and then I just use the other one to put everything back in. So this thing also comes with multiple sockets. You have a 17 millimeter, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 10 millimeter. So this is very easy to use. All you need to do is just line up the battery and just push it in. And after that, you are ready to use it. You have this switch right here to lock it so that you don't accidentally turn it on. And also you have your wrench direction right here. So you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise if you want to move forward or reverse. I also like that this thing comes with a hard carrying case, and all the latch actually has pins. So that means that this latch are gonna last forever. And also, if you look here, it also has a pins. Unlike some cases like this that just have a straight connection and no pin, you can see right here, the more you open and close it, it eventually breaks. So with the pin connection, they actually last a lot longer. So this thing, as long as you don't drop it, this case right here should last a long time. So if you're an occasional DIYer, you don't really need to spend a lot of money to get a ratchet set like this. This thing can do the same job as the branded product, and you can buy a lot more tools with your money.